Hello everyone, today I am going to teach your chapter number 3rd, that is ecosystem. So we live in a world where we have surroundings, and in surroundings there are living things and non-living things. So in surroundings there are living things and non-living things. Now the second one, that term is habitat. Habitat, it is a place where anyone lives. So it is a surroundings. Habitat that consists of their climate, soil, water. So habitat consists of this climate, soil, water and other things. So habitat is the place where we live. Now what is ecosystem? So we live by interacting with other community members. Other community members and there are non-living things which makes a self-sustaining system. So this is called ecosystem, where we interact with other community members and non-living things that make self-sustaining system. So this is known as ecosystem, and the study of ecosystem, that is known as ecology. So ecology, that is the study of ecosystem. Now the components of an ecosystem. There are two types of ecosystem, that is aquatic ecosystem and terrestrial ecosystem. Aquatic means the habitat which is present in water, and terrestrial that present on land. In aquatic habitat there are different type of, like marine ecosystem or freshwater ecosystem, and in terrestrial there are many type of ecosystems like grassland ecosystem, forest ecosystem, desert ecosystem or mountain ecosystem. So these are different type of ecosystem. Aquatic means in water, terrestrial on land. In aquatic there is marine or freshwater, and in terrestrial grassland, forest, desert, mountain and many others. Now when there are two or more ecosystem, they are interact with each other or they are present in one place, that is known as biome. There are different type of ecosystem that present on earth, and there are different type of biomes that present on earth, that is hydrosphere, lithosphere and atmosphere, and these combine to form biosphere. And the example of biome, that is desert, because desert consists of two type of ecosystem. So biome that means there are one or two or more ecosystems, and these biomes that combine to form biosphere. So what we discussed, there are three terms: ecosystem, biome and biosphere. Now there are two components of ecosystem. One that is abiotic and second that is biotic. Abiotic means non-living things like soil, water, light. These are all abiotic components, and biotic means plants, animals, microorganisms. So abiotic and biotic components, we will discuss them one by one. The first one is the biotic components. It has three groups. The one that is producers. The second one that is the consumers and decomposers. So there are three groups: producers, consumers and decomposers. Producers, so producers means which produce anything. In producers, plants. So plants are producers. They make their food with the help of sunlight. They produce the food, and producer, they are known as plants, and they are also called as autotrophs. Autotrophs, auto means by their own, they make their food by their own, and consumers which take the ready-made food. In consumers, three terms, that is herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous. Herbivorous, which eat green plants like cow, deer, and these are known as primary consumers. Carnivorous, which eat the flesh of animals, and these are known as secondary consumers. These are known as primary, secondary. For example, tiger, lion. And in this, there is again in carnivorous tertiary consumers like snake, hawk. Omnivorous that eat plants and animals both. So in omnivorous, the example is human being. So I hope you understood. Producers, they are plants. Consumers, herbivorous, have three groups: herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous. Herbivorous, which eat green plants, for example cow, deer, and they are also known as primary consumers. Carnivorous, they eat the flesh of animals, and these are known as secondary consumers. And in carnivorous, there are tertiary consumers like snake, hawk, etc. And omnivorous, which eat both plants and animals, and for example that is human being. Now the decomposers. They decompose different type of materials, like there are substances biodegradable and non biodegradable. Decomposers can break down the substances which are known as biodegradable, but it cannot decompose the substances, and those substances are known as non-biodegradable. And decomposers examples are earthworm and different type of microorganisms. So they eat dead and decaying organic matter. So this is all about the biotic components. Thank you.